It's a pork fat thing.
Oh, no, this is how high the camera goes. I want to show you the Italian basement from the top. Oh, here he is.
How you doing?
See, everybody, it's like
I'm
a...
not going in the final video.
No, I know, but what's this called? What's it called?
Eye in the sky.
No, what's that thing called? The droid. Right, we.
Right, a drone.
Drone. Oh, we're gonna land it now. Oh.
Maybe I'll throw it at the end of it.
How you doing, boys and girls? This is the Shaitan over here, talking to you from a chair, way, way away from Jay. He's got his, what you just watched was him opening up his pool. Now, I don't have to tell you how much water is in this pool, because you can find that out. So I got nothing to say because the camera's on me and the sun's in my eyes. So I just want to let you know, thank you to all our sponsors, Brinkman, Shop-Vac, Julio, Hose A, Hose B, Quartz Clocks, Nextel T-shirts, Billy Ray Cyrus headbands, and Algae.
George Glass.
George Glass.
If that's what you're doing. You're doing the Brady Bunch George Glass.
But I do have a boyfriend.
Oh, you do?
He's one of the nicest boys in the school, and he thinks I'm super cool.
Oh, that's wonderful, Jan. What's his name?
His name is George.
George what?
George Glass. George Glass. I'll go wash up for dinner.
And not to forget our co-sponsors, Algae, White PVC Fence, Ron Hazelton Enterprises, and
More George Glass.
more George Glass, and our main sponsor, Blue Bond. Thank you for all our sponsorships. And oh, sorry, the town of Beep Municipal Water for making this happen. Otherwise, if it wasn't, the water wouldn't happen. Anything else? Oh, I'm forgetting some people. Let's see here. Mr. Rangemaster for doing our smoking. Mr. Fire Pit for doing our fire pits. Lowe's, the Home Depot. And a very old sponsor that hasn't been around, but when the pool was made, brought to you by Pergaments. Where when the wood was actually good wood. And all of you out there, the Green Hose Productions. And also brought to you by Floodlights and Kitty Cats. So I wasted enough of your time. Thank you for driving through, and make sure you have fries with that. Bye.